keywords. You don't want to keyword stuff, but you definitely want to put the keywords at the front of the title. So I like using bully sticks. So natural grass-fed organic bully sticks or natural odorless bully sticks. And then you can, like, the title that I can use as an example is natural grass-fed bully sticks provide healthy, nutritious snack for elderly dogs. Is a proven healthy snack for, elderly dogs. And that gives it kind of a newsworthy appeal. The other thing about this is you've got 70 characters. Like you can give as many characters as you want, but you know what? You're going to get the dot 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 at the end.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of the time, and I think you'd agree that there's a lot of micro brands that feel, I don't know if it's ego, but they got to have their brand in the logo or at the beginning, and it ruins it. You don't need to see your brand. You're going to see people are going to read about it in the summary and in the body, but if you're going to try to stick your brand in there, let it go after the dot dot dot. So put 70 characters of really good keywords or features, benefits, and then after the dot dot dot, buy your brand. That's a little trick that we use, and some people absolutely want to have their brand in at the very beginning, and okay, but you're gonna lose a little bit of juice from it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that for the Amazon sellers out there, it's basically just like your Amazon title. You want to get those important keywords near the front as much as you can. Now, obviously on Amazon, sometimes they make you have your brand name at the front, but where you can circumvent that, I usually agree. Put that at the end of the title or somewhere else, unless your brand is starting to grow and you are starting to get recognized for your brand name, then fine, I suppose. But for most smaller people starting out, yeah, it's just kind of a waste of keyword juice.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
once you put together the keywords, this is the type of ranking that you can get.